Turpan, home of the Uyghur people. Seen from the air, it's a dry and desolate desert, dotted by thousands of mysterious pockmarks. Holes that lead to a 2,000-year-old subterranean system that's longer than the length of India. The Suez Canal Network. 1,000 horizontal wells have been sunk into the earth and then connected by canals over 3,000 miles in length, directing water from the Tian Shan mountain glaciers 100 miles to the north to their fields and villages. It was cutting-edge ancient engineering that still works today, irrigating a land that would otherwise be a giant dust bowl. It's not just about clean drinking water. Incredibly, this desert produces tons of grapes annually. Without the canals, the Uyghurs' major export would wither on the vine. And the true scale of production is revealed from the air. They may look like honeycomb, but these mud brick blocks are used to air dry millions of grapes into raisins. Without modern materials and technology, the ancients triumphed, turning nature to their advantage.